Good afternoon, Priyanka, Pathal, Navansh. Fine. Let me give some questions on product of decimals and let's see how you people will going to solve it. The topic which we are discussing is product. So the question is 3.8 multiplied by 4. 1.6 multiplied by 9. How we can do the product? So, you people are getting answers here for multiplication. Good afternoon, Jaya, Akriti, Swaraj, Suryansh. Sorry for the delay. You can see point here. Navya. Okay. So, what we have seen that day is if we talk about the fraction form, if I ask you what is the fraction form of 1.6, comment fast. 1.6 fractions form. It will be 16 by 10. Fine. So now if you multiply 16 and 9, what is the product of 16 and 9? 16 9 times 144. Now 144 divided by 10. When 144 divided by 10, you know it is 14.4. Or here we can say there is one decimal place, so we'll put point after one place. How many decimal places there? One decimal place. Okay. So when we have one decimal place, point will come after only one decimal place. .8 multiplied by 4. 3. It will be 15.2. Yes. $24.23 multiplied by 7. What we should do? We should multiply normally first. Let us multiply 2423 multiply by 7. Do normal multiplication. सबसे पहले एकदम normal multiply करिए सभी. Then we will find the answer. We write the product now. 3, 4 times 7, 3 times 21, 2, 14, 16, 1, 1, 6, 9, 6, 1. Now, as you can see here, one, 6, 9, 6, 1. Please comment how many decimal places you can see here. 10 and 100. So there are 2 decimal places. We can see that if we convert it into fraction, it will be 2423 by 100. That's why when we are multiplying, and after that again we should put point after 10 and 100. So the answer will be 169.61. 169.61. So we just have to count the number of decimal places and we have to write in the answer. Okay, for all of you, if you are getting it, just put one thumbs up here. Multiplication of whole number by a decimal. Very good. Now, if I take a question from your exercise 10B number 4. Question number 4, last one, D. What is the question? 3.125. 3.125 multiply by 54. How you people are going to do it? Just tell me how many decimal places are here. सबसे पहले हम यहाँ साइड में ही काउंट करते हैं. Should count here dash decimal places. How many decimal places you can see in the question? Decimal places. How many decimal places you can see? Ten, 100, 1000. How many decimal places are there? Are 3 decimal places. Yes, there are 3 decimal places. So for 3 decimal places, what you should do? You should write the product first. 3125 multiplied by 54. Fine. 54. What is the product you people are getting here? One 68750. We have 3 decimal places, so the answer will be, we know that very well, 168.750. 3 places हमें लिखना है 10, 100 and 1000. 3 decimal places in the question, so 3 decimal places in the answer. One 168.750. Board is blur, maybe due to network issue. Akriti. Now hope that all of you will do such type of products. Okay, आप सभी इस तरह के products कर पाएंगे. Now let's take some observation, very interesting observations. Okay, now what is the condition here? Suppose the cost of a marker, if I went and marker के पहले pencil, a pencil cost 4.5 rupees and we are 10 friends. Fine. So I want to take for my 10 friends. How much rupees it will cost? Will you able to tell me? 4.5p is the cost of one pencil. I want 10 such pencils. What will be the cost? Yeah, you should multiply. What will be the answer I asked? 4.5 multiplied by 10. There are 10 friends. 45 multiplied by 10 is 450. There is one decimal place, so we will put point after one place from back. 45 rupees. Very much correct. Now the same pencil I have to purchase for my class 5th and 6th, and suppose there are total 100 students. What will be the cost? For 0.5 multiplied by 100. I can see that if I don't count point, I know it is 4500, but I have to put point after how many places? One place, so the answer will be 450 rupees. Yes. So 4.5 multiplied by 10 is 45. Okay, students, we are getting it also. Like 4.5, you know the fraction form is pencil. Fine. 4.5 is 45 by 10 and multiply also 10. 10 divided by 10 becomes 45. Here 4.5. The fraction form is 45 by 10 only. But now we are multiplying by 100. So by 10, if you divide 100, what you will get? 10. That's why it is 450. Now this same pencil I want to purchase for the whole school. My school is having 1,000 students. What will be the cost? Suryansh Dikshit, now 45 multiply by 1000. 4, 5, 000, 1, 2, 3. But we want to put point only after one place. Yes, this is 45 by 10 multiply by 1000 divide by 10, you will get here 100. 45 multiplied by 100 is 4500. Is it okay? Now let's see the observation. Be very much careful. जरा ध्यान से यहाँ पर सभी देखिए आप. The number is same 4.5. Okay, same number 4.5. We multiply by 10, 100, and 1000. But now when we multiply it by 10, so what happened? The decimal jumped how many places? Tell me. Decimal jumped how many places to the right? Towards right. How many places? In the first one, 4.5 become 45. How many places decimal jump? If 4.5 becomes 45, how many places decimal jump here? Two place, three place. In the first one, it jumped only one place. How many places? One place. In the second one, 4.5. Point यहाँ पर था between 4 and 5. Okay. Now jump 1 and this one. How many places in the second one? 2 places. In the second one, it is 2 places. So in the third one, how many places? From 5, count 1, 2, 3 places. Yes, the decimal jump 3 places. So what we can say, all of us, let us write one line. एक line हम लिख सकते हैं कि in multiplication on multiplying by 10, जब आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे किसी नंबर को, on multiplying by 10, decimal shifts. How many places? राइट में कितना प्लेस किया 10 पे? 1. For 100, how many places? It will 2 places in right. And for 1000, how many places? 3 places towards right. So let's take some question here. 17.23 multiplied by 10, 1.5 multiplied by 10, 2 point, पहले इन दोनों का करके दिखाइए जल्दी से. 7.23 multiplied by 10, how much it will be? 10. So one place, just jump it one place towards right. 172.3. Yes, very good. 15, 1.5, one place jump towards right. 15.0. Okay. One point 45 multiply by 10. 3.62 multiply by 100. One place. 10. One place. 20. How you should write 362? Where I should put point? Tell me. Lavanya put it right hand 362. You can write it 362.0 या फिर आप सीधे लिख सकते हैं 362. Comment fast. Nityam, okay, first one. This way you write like Harsh is writing, so I can understand that for which you are writing. 2.135 into 100 is 213.5. Write completely, like Harsh is writing. How Harsh is writing 213. जैसे अगर अभिषेक को लिखना है पूरा लिखिए आप. चलिए, many of you writing answer 20 है ना, तो 2 प्लेस जंप करता हूं 213.5. Okay, now 10. So one place jump करते हैं. Now 30. So 3 place 2315.0. 30 are there. 3 place and drop. 1, 2, 3. 1786.4 will be the answer. 1786.4. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? अच्छा, इसको फिर से समझने के लिए आप सब मुझे फ्रैक्शंस फॉर्म बताएंगे. 17.23. व्हाट विल बी द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म? 23 100. So 10 divided 10 बचा है, इसलिए 172.3. Yes, here is 10 10 cut, no point. 1.45. फटाफट जल्दी से कमेंट करिए. 1.45. What is the fraction form? 1.45. 145 by 100 है ना 10 और 100 1.45 था एक्चुअली इट इज 100 so only one zero will cut देखिए 1 0 है that's why it is 14.5 fine let's see more clearly हम इसको भी और समझते हैं this question 2.135 क्या होता है 2135 by yes 2.135 what is the fraction form 2.135 the fraction will be 2135 by 1000 20 cut because of 10 answer become 213.5 4.96 496 by 100 10 cut 496 by 10 is 49.6 2315 by 1000 multiply by 1000 cut become 2315 so is it okay for you all or not now the last thing is okay so then you can cut the zeros and you can tell anybody किसी को भी आप समझा सकते हैं कि ये पॉइंट 1 प्लेस क्यों जंप कर रहा है because after dividing 10 110 is left that's why it is 49.6 now the thing is if you have to multiply two decimal numbers I want to multiply 1.6 multiply by 0.8 how I should multiply the very first thing is सबसे पहले तो हमारा डेसिमल्स का फ्रेंड कौन है ठीक है तो आप इसको फ्रैक्शन में भी कर सकते हैं कैसे करेंगे फ्रैक्शन में 16 by 10 multiply by 8 by 10 अभी ये प्रोडक्ट आपको पता है 10 multiply by 10 how much 100 16 8 times 128 what will be the decimal form 1.28 very much correct Akriti अरे सूर्यांशु जी कहां चले गए 1.28 Are you ready for the next question? The next question is 1.23 multiply by 0.5. Now tell me, what will be the fraction form? Write the fraction form of both the 1.23. What is the fraction? 123 by how much? 123 by 100. Yes, 123 by 100. And here it is 5 by 10. Now 10 and 100. If we multiply 10 into 100, 1000, 5. So what will be your answer now? 615 by 1000. How much? 0.615. How many decimal places are here? So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 decimal places. How many decimal places we have? 3 decimal places. Yes? So I think all of you are able to do this multiplication here. All of you are enjoying. That's why you people are commenting. सभी को मजा आ रहा है इसमें I think. Yes. अभी just one question from your exercise. 1.73 multiplied by 0.12. Tell me how many decimal places you can. There are 2, here also 2. So 2 plus 2 how much? 4 decimal places. Just do the normal multiply. 12 3 times 24 36 6 3 84 plus 3 2076. Where you should put point now? Anurag, there are 4 decimal places we have. 2 here and 2 here. It means it is 2076 by 1 2 3 4. बेटा यहाँ पर दो places आएंगे दोनों में. 1.73 become 173 by 100 and 0.12 become also we have 100. So 100 multiplied by 100, how much? 10,000. 0. Thank you all for attending class. Here's the link. Parth Shukla, you came in the very last. Now you watch it again, okay? And try to do the questions.